Nature Park in Gandhinagar. Right now, I am in rickshaw. I booked the rickshaw via Rapido. The weather is nice and you can see these clean green roads all around. Gandhinagar really feels calm compared to the hustle of bigger cities. In just a few minutes, we'll be at the park to start our Jurassic adventure. And on the way, we are passing by the famous Dhirubhai Institute of Information and Communication Technology, one of the top tech institutes in India, right here in Gandhinagar. One thing I really appreciate about Gandhinagar and honestly much of Gujarat is the quality of the roads. They are wide, clean, and without potholes, which makes traveling so much more comfortable and enjoyable. Alright guys, I have just reached the entrance of Indroda Nature Park. This is the main gate and now I am going to walk up to the ticket counter to grab my entry pass. Let's go. The park is spread the park is spread around 400 hectares. The see the voices of some birds. The park is spread around 400 hectares and is managed by the Gujarat Ecological Education Research Foundation. It's divided into two parts. One is all regarding dinosaurs, fossils, and history, and the other is regarding wildlife and zoo. So there are some monkeys there, and you can get ticket also. I have just purchased the ticket from this ticket office. The ticket for Indians is rupees 10 and for foreigners it's rupees 200. See, there are a lot of monkeys here. After the guard checked my ticket, I asked him where I could find the dinosaur park and the zoo. With a warm smile, he pointed straight ahead, saying both were just along the path. So my first stop will be the dinosaur park, often called India's very own Jurassic Park. Right now I am in the dinosaur and fossil park. The dinosaur models here are incredible and the fossils here are very old. The fossils are millions of years old since the time when dinosaurs used to roam here. Now here you can see a dinosaur species known as Iguanodon. Now what's the meaning of Iguanodon? Iguanodon means iguana tooth because its teeth resemble of modern iguanas. Iguanodon lived in the early Cretaceous period, that's around 125 to 130 million years ago. So this is the model of Rajasaurus and it's written here that it is the first Indian dinosaur of its kind because its fossils have been found in India, especially Western India only. The fossilized bones of this creature are also found scattered along the Narmada river from Jabalpur to Gujarat and also in Kheda district of central Gujarat. Thus, this dinosaur has been named Rajasaurus narmadensis, or the regal reptile of Narmada. This dinosaur had a crown of crested horn on the head, like a true Raja, and was heavily bodied and has somewhat horizontal body position, unlike the sub-vertical stance of T-Rex. So this is the model of Rajasaurus dinosaur, and it is 65 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period, and it was discovered by Mr. Suresh Srivastav in 1982 to 84, and we can find this dinosaur in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh in India. The length of this dinosaur is 9 meters and its height is 3 meters. This dinosaur is Megalosaurus, and the meaning of Megalosaurus is giant lizard. The dinosaur is very giant. See the height, it's around 9 to 10 meters in height, and it was found in Raholi in Gujarat, and its weight is 1 to 1.5 tons. Megalosaurus was the first dinosaur to be scientifically described and named in 1824 by William Buckland. It had a massive tail. Megalosaurus had a massive tail, you can see, as compared to this Rajasaurus. And the tail of Rajasaurus is a little small, and the tail of Megalosaurus is, see, it's very big. And this Megalosaurus is also big in height as compared to Rajasaurus. Triceratops was a plant-eating dinosaur with 3 horns and a large bony frill, living about 68 million years ago. These are the fossils of mammals and reptiles. They showcase ancient species that roamed India, preserved for millions of years in. The name of this dinosaur is Deinonychus. Deinonychus means terrible claw. Its age is early Cretaceous period, that's 135 million years ago. It was discovered by Professor John Ostrom in 1969, and its weight is 50 to 75 kilos, and it's named Deinonychus because of its claw. Deinonychus means terrible claw. See, you can see how big the claw is, how round it is. This is Stegosaurus, and this is Allosaurus. This is Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus means covered lizard. It was a herbivore lizard, and it had a very small head and a tiny brain and toothless beak. The diet of this herbivorous Stegosaurus was a large amount of low category of plant material to sustain its bulk, probably using its toothless beak to get food. And the weight of Stegosaurus is up to 2 tons.
City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, a steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries.
I have just finished exploring the amazing dinosaur models, and suddenly I have spotted a peacock gracefully crossing right in front of me. Its vibrant blue neck gleams in the sunlight, and the feathers shimmer with shades of green and gold. It's such a beautiful reminder that Indroda Nature Park isn't just about prehistoric creatures, it's also home to the living wonders of today. Moments like this make the walk even more magical. Here it's the depiction of how the land of the earth was one 200 million years ago, and since 170 million years ago it started separating. So 245 million ago it was the end of Paleozoic area. So at the end of the Paleozoic area, which is around 245 million years ago, Earth's land masses were like a supercontinent, and it was known as Pangea. By the end of by the mid Mesozoic area, Pangea split into northern Laurasia and southern landmass known as Gondwana Island, which was around 135 million years ago, and around 65 million years ago, by the end of Mesozoic area, Laurasia and Gondwana separated into the present day continents. See, in this you can see South America and Africa together, but now they are apart, right? I have finished exploring the dinosaur fossil and earth section. Now I will head towards zoo, and then after that I will go to the botanical garden. See, the botanical garden is towards left. I will come here again after visiting the zoo, and the zoo is towards right. So I will go to the zoo first. So after I entered here, the first thing what I saw is the parrot. Their name is Alexandrine parakeet, and in Gujarati it is known as Pahadi popat. See, they are making a lot of noise. Here they are rose-ringed parakeet. In Gujarati they are known as Suda. Now let's proceed towards bird, aviaries, deer and antelope, crocodile, tortoise, turtles and whale skeleton. See how silent this area is. There is no one here except me. I think that instead of entering the zoo, I entered the aviary first, And after spotting the parakeets, I think I saw a painted stock, although I am not certain since I couldn't see the name tag. The distinctive markings seem to match though, so I think that it is a painted stock. Look, there is a squirrel. It's so cute and agile, darting around with its bushy tail twitching. Squirrels are always so much fun to watch. See the deer? I think they might be sambar, although I am not sure about the species. I met some people on the way. They said that they also saw lion, and I have been walking for a long time and I haven't seen any lion yet. So I am asking the people I am meeting where the lion is. Here there are some crocodiles. हे इकडे बघ, बघ इकडे बघ, इकडे इकडे, અહીંયા અહીંયા. हे बघ, लायन आहे ना इकडे राईटला आहे. आणि मी काय केलं, मी इकडे पोपट बघून इकडे कुठेतरी खालती उतरलो. खालती असाच फिरायला लागलो, असाच फिरायला लागलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर इकडून कुठून तरी बाहेर आलो आणि परत आतमध्ये आलो. आणि लायन आहे कुठे, इकडे. म्हणजे एकदम तिकडे सगळं एक्सप्लोर केलं आणि लायन इकडे. Welcome to the lush greenery of the botanical garden within Indroda Nature Park. As you explore this serene oasis, you will discover a diverse collection of plant species, beautifully landscaped gardens, and tranquil walking paths. This section of the botanical garden is dedicated to an impressive collection of cacti featuring a variety of species. The cacti are meticulously arranged, showcasing the unique shape, size, and vibrant colors. Now let's explore some more plants. This plant is bhangro. Then this is khaskhas. And this is sympagon. This is ajma pan. This might be banana plant. This is tattoo. Its medical uses are given here. This is harfarebadi. This is ragat rohido. This is shatavari plant. It has a lot of medical uses. This is pan fruit. It is used in bruised wounds, insect bites, and diarrhea. Now I have booked an auto and I am waiting for the auto. Meanwhile, I saw a peacock again crossing my path. The auto driver called me at the gate because the officials were asking for 15 rupees from the auto driver to enter inside. That's a wrap. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you liked this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun content. Stay tuned for my next video and don't forget to turn on notifications.